Alright, I got another video for you. I'm doing a complete unboxing of the Boom Arm stand. So it's basically a stand for your microphone, whether you are into streaming, whether you're into just recording, doing music production, or any sort of recording. You can definitely pick this one up. I picked it up for about I believe it was $18.99. So yeah, it's still at the same price as of doing this video. So it's basically what you get in there is just the basic arm holder, the clamp. You get the the adapters. So you get the 3/8 adapters and the 5/8 adapters. Sorry, 3/8 to 5/8 adapter, and then you get the 3/8 to quarter adapter. Quite a mouthful to say. And also you get the clip, which is for like different other microphones. So yeah, they're all used for different type of microphones and obviously different holdings. So yeah, it's very versatile. There's so many different ones on the market anyway, but right now that's the end of the introduction. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you basically what you get. I've already half set up the mic arm anyway. It's already on my thing, so I'll be showing you that and how to set it up and things of that nature. So yeah, so basically you get the actual arm itself, the mic stand, and then you get obviously the manual, which is inside here, and it's got all of the adapters in there. If you want to be neat and tidy, you can obviously use the straps, vocal straps, to strap your wire for the microphone. So yeah, that's very handy. And obviously the user manual is obviously in English only, so obviously other foreign speakers, they may not be able to understand this user manual. So yeah, so that's that. And then you get the clip. This is the clip for different a certain different type of microphones. I'm not entirely sure what type of microphones, but I believe it's for like the Shure microphones and very tiny holder type microphones as well. So that's what's in there. And that's pretty much it really. You don't really get much else. Oh yeah, and obviously the pop shield. This is a very good pop shield. It's one of the best studio standard ones. So yeah, if you don't have a pop shield, because I've already got a pop shield of my own from a microphone that I purchased many years ago. I've already using that, and it's already got a pop shield with it. So I'll show you the microphone. So yeah, so you just get the pop shield, but if you want to use it, you can definitely use it. Very easy to use, very easy to set up as well. So that is that. So that's basically everything that comes in the box. And now I'm going to switch over to the mic stand itself and have how I set it up already. Now we're going to have a look at the microphone stand. So this is how I have it set it up. Obviously it's a little bit hard to see, but I'm going to shift this a little bit so that you can at least see how I've set it up. So I basically put it on the screen lift. I purchased this a separate time from the dressing table. It's a different thing. So yeah, it's just to make space for other things that I want to put on my desk, and obviously it just came in handy. But apart from that, so yeah, I set it up on to this. You can obviously set it up on the desk as well. So I would recommend just having a look at your desk and seeing if you have any, like at least 1 or 2 inches thick of the board, so that you can at least attach it with the clip, the support clip at the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a closer look at the bottom edge where the clip is holding the actual whole stand. So give me a second. So I've basically moved a couple of things out the way so that you can at least see it a little bit more better. And yeah, so here's the clip. So basically what I did was I just attached it underneath, and obviously turn this turner, I'm not sure what you call it, I'm just going to call it a turner, to clip up onto the board underneath as well as the top. So yeah, so it's already snug and not going to come off it very easily. And that is about it. So yeah, if you want to further instructions for how to do this, it's very straightforward. The instructions manual will be in the box anyway, and just read through it and it should tell you how to adjust the turner clip shaft underneath, and that's basically it. Now I'm going to show you how to mount your microphone. What microphone I'm using is the Tonor TC30, if I've got that correct, and I'm going to demonstrate on, you know, fitting my microphone. And it's not a bad microphone, and also it has its own mount as well. So the only thing I needed was just the little adapter here. So this is like the 3/8, no, the 5/8 to 3/8, and yes, and that's basically it. Oh, 3/8 to 5/8, my bad. Yeah, that's all I needed onto this underneath here. So yeah, and now I'm gonna just pop it on. So all I need to do is just screw it on, which is very simple to do. It shouldn't take too long, and you're pretty much done there. Yeah. So yeah, you should feel some sort of resistance once it's on properly. And yeah, so yeah, you can basically turn it either way. I like to have it somewhere like there and then a bit lower. So yeah, it looks pretty cool there for me. And yeah, this is the pop shield that it comes with. This is the mic toner, as I mentioned before, and it comes with its own pop shield. That's why I'm not going to use the pop shield that came with the boom arm stand. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on, and boom, you're ready to start your streaming, recording, or whatnot. So yeah, it's very handy for me anyway, because I'm going to be doing more live streams and stuff like that. Now I'm going to get into all the goods and the bads about it, and what I like about it so far and what I dislike. So I don't think I have much bads about it, but let's get into the goods first. So the goods about this product will be the simple. It's very simple to use and very easy to use, very easy to set up as well. The instructions are good, it's all in English. For foreign speakers, they may struggle to know what the instructions are in there, so sorry about that. I didn't make this product. Very flexible, and it can move into many different positions. So as I showed you before, yeah, you can move it in different positions of your liking, no matter where. You can even put this, you can flip it 180 underneath, so it's very handy like that. And yeah, that's basically all the goods about this product. Now let's get into the bads. What I found is that sometimes, and let me just take off the microphone quickly just to show you. Sometimes the adapter it gets stuck onto the mic holder itself for the screw. So like, see for this so yeah, for like this, just move that a little bit. It can get stuck. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, this is the little the 3/8 to 5/8 screw. How you would take this out is by getting something very thin and very hard to like screw it off. I found that because I got a filling knife, it's very easy to just slip in and just turn it, so you can just get this thing out, just in case if you need to change the adapter or anything like that. So yeah, that's the only downside to this armrest. Sorry, the microphone arm stand. So that's the only bad thing I found. But other than that, that's the only thing I could say that was bad about it. So my overall rating for this product will be around 3.8. Just the fact that obviously this can be a bit of a pain to take off. So yeah, that's the only thing. But other than that, so far I do like this product. It's okay for now for me, because it's very new and I've had a go at it and it seems okay to use now. It's just that unfortunately this can get stuck, so that's the only downside to it. So would I recommend it? Definitely. I'll probably put it down in the description down below so you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And I may do a review of this microphone in the next video, so do look out for that. And also I might get another tripod as well, because I realize in my videos sometimes the lighting ain't too good. So I'm gonna get another tripod and test it out and do some reviews on it, and let you guys know what I think about it. So hopefully you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out until next time.